Hello everyone, Rahul Sharma this side from Equity 99. My dear subscriber and my friends, today we are going to discuss about how markets are going to perform in coming days and how global market have reacted in the latest time and what are the changes which factor markets in the coming days. Currently, Indian stock market is completely dependent on global cues and earning season numbers, which companies are posting for quarter 4 financial year 2020. In last few days, we have seen some drastic changes because of global cues and earning season updates and major development over COVID-19 situation and recent changes because of stimulus package which were announced in the country as well as globally. Markets will remain range bound until it breaks 8800 levels on closing basis. There is no major tension of Nifty slipping more, and on the upper side 9300 till 9500 levels are the major support and it will act as a hurdle. Until it crosses these levels on closing basis, there are no major chances of Nifty going above these levels. Market will be consolidating between these two levels. Now, if we speak about our sector, which will be performing, then the first sector, which is evergreen sector, that is in this current scenario, will be pharmaceutical sector, chemical sector, telecom sector, agrochemical sector. So these will be in focus and major investment point for short term period. In chemical sector, we are recommending only those companies which are not affected by the COVID-19 pandemic situation. In specialty chemicals, the companies which have product line in textile and similar kind of businesses will not perform up to the mark. What the chemical companies working on agricultural or pharma related industry will be performing in a better way. One have to be very choosy in specialty chemical sector, as those companies which are involved into export will be performing well. In terms of growth, they will be doing good. Sectors which one should avoid and one which doesn't look good from this point of time will be first of paint and varnishes sector. See, like Asian Paints and Berger Paints come in that sector, as these companies are already trading at much higher PE right now. Nobody will be purchasing paint products for at least 2 quarters, as monsoons are already on our head right now and there is no labor also available for work. Second sector will be banking and NBFC sector. You should avoid right now. One should stay away from this sector in medium term. These sectors are currently observing highest short selling positions. Bank Nifty is very much close to the lows of March month. So we suggest that do not take any fresh sell position here. We have a very negative view for this sector right now. Third sector which one should avoid is insurance and AMCs. This sector is particularly good for long-term investment, but in the mid-term period, we do not see any good hope for the companies. Job losses and salary deduction have majorly impacted EMIs for SIPs, systematic investment plans, as well as insurance premiums due to liquidity crisis and delayed payment structure. So these were the sectors which one should avoid, and the sectors which one should be focused on will be agrochemical sector, pharmaceutical sector and telecom sector. So this was the whole information for now. Thank you so much.